Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Come with me to Capetown, South Africa. While I was there, I decided to do a winery tour. We booked through a group who came and picked us up from our Airbnb and transported us to 3 different wineries. My favorite was the champagne one. I got to pop a bottle with a sword. There also was food available and charcuterie boards for us to enjoy with our wine tasting. If you're ever in Capetown, South Africa, be sure to add this to your list. I will put all the details in the description box below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram and TikTok.